students, so here we are with the question third of the exercise 3.5 for the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. So the question third is solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution and cross multiplication methods. And the two linear equations have been provided in the question. Let me mark this linear equation to be the first and this to be the second linear equation. As it's been asked in the question to solve these pair of linear equations by the two methods, the first is the substitution and the second is the cross multiplication method. So starting up with the substitution method. So what substitution method says that the first step is to find the value of either variable x or y from any of the two linear equations. Suppose I have been obtaining the value for the variable x from the second linear equation. So from equation second, x comes out to be equal to 4 minus 2y divided by 3. Let me mark this linear equation to be the third linear equation. Now substitute this value of x variable in first linear equation. That is, substitute third in first. Substituting x into first linear equation, what I'll be getting is x into 4 minus 2y divided by 3 plus 5y is equals to 9. So simplifying it, I'll be getting 32 minus 16y plus 15y is equals to 27, or I can write it as minus y is equals to minus 5 or y is equals to 5. This is the value for the variable y. Now let me mark this to be the fourth linear equation. Now substitute this value of the y in third linear equation. So it will be 4 minus 5 into 5 divided by 3. So now it will be simplified as 4 minus 10 divided by 3, which will be equal to minus 6 by 3. From here, x comes out to be equal to minus 2. So means by the substitution method, we have obtained the value for the variable x as well as for the variable y. That is, from the substitution method, x comma y comes out to be equal to minus 2 comma 5. Now, it's been asked in the question to solve these pair of linear equations by the cross multiplication method as well. Now, starting up with the cross multiplication method. Let me mark this to be the first linear equation and this to be the second linear equation. And as we know in the cross multiplication method, the first step is to write the coefficient x and y and also the constant term in a definite pattern. So starting up with the V1 and V2, it will be 5, 2, then C1, C2, which is 9, minus 4. Why this minus sign is being written here is because in the standard form of the linear equation, the constant term are always on the left hand side. And as we know, any term which is being taken from the right hand side to the left hand side, its sign changes. So as it's plus in both the cases, so it will be minus when it's been taken to the left hand side. So here it will be minus 9 and minus 4. Then A1, A2, that is 8, 3 and B1, B2, that is 5, 2. From here we will be obtaining the three ratios whose numerators are x, y and 1 respectively. For the denominator of the first ratio, I'll be obtaining a window for the elements 5, 2, minus 9, minus 4 and will be multiplying this with this element, this with this with the minus sign in between. Means it will be minus 20, that is 5 into minus 4, minus 18. Got it? For the second, the window will be minus 9, minus 4, 8 and 3. So here it will be minus 27, minus 32. And third window will be containing the elements 8, 3, 5, 2. So here it will be 16 minus 15. So now calculating it here, it will be x divided by minus 2, which will be equal to y divided by 5, and which will be equal to 1 by 1. So as we know, for x, we will be equating the first ratio with the third ratio, that is x by minus 2 is equals to 1. From here, x comes out to be equal to minus 2. And for the variable y, we will be equating the second ratio with the third ratio. So from here, y comes out to be equal to 5. So by the cross multiplication method, x comma y is equals to minus 2 comma 5, which is the same as been obtained by the substitution method. So this was about the third question, where we have solved the two pair of linear equations by the two methods. The first is the substitution method, and the second one is the cross multiplication method. I hope this question is clear to all of you.